Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to join a Discord server without an invite. So here, open up your Discord, and on the left side of the screen, you can see add button. Go ahead and click on that add button on the channels. And then here, you're going to have two options. You can create my own, and then you can join a server. For me, I'll choose join a server. And then from here, you'll have to type https://discord.gg and then slash, and then let's say football. I like football. So let's type in football and hit join. And there you go. You have been invited to join and click here, accept invite. And if this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.